Hey, Helen, I think I've got it recording, so I'm going to let you just ask people their takeaways, and then I'm going to deliver this food real quick. And when I'm done, I'll come back on. And actually, I'll just tell you mine real quick, because I need to not be on Zoom and driving. So mine was that nobody's coming to save me. And my mom always saved me, financially, like in so many ways. So that was my huge takeaway from today, is just nobody's going to save me. And I think that's awesome that no one's going to come save me, because now I got to do it. So that's what I have. So I'm going to let you guys share, but I'm going to be listening.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Be safe. Liddell, do you want to go first?
Sure, I can go first. Today was another massive day of information. There was so much to take away from today. There's several things I have like highlighted, and one of my biggest thing is I just can't remember. I wanted to say it was Denny Robinson who said it, but it was just step into your true power, nobody else's. And one of the other things she said was we need to teach women less about the glass slippers and more about obliterating the glass ceilings on we've put on ourselves, or society has put on us. But I think that can go for anybody. We all have this level that we think this is the highest we can achieve. And I don't care if you're a girl or if you're a guy, there's this thing that we kind of put on ourselves and we say, okay, I can't get past this point. And I think that's, for me, that's a breakthrough moment of, I just need to break that ceiling of this is all I can do. And this is all I'm worth. And just need to go past that. And again, my massive decision so far is just that I'm going to do that 90-day run in January. And that's my takeaway from the final day.
Good for you. Good for you. Jeremy, you want to go next? Oh, he's on a call. Who would like to go next? Jolene, you want to go?
Sure, I can go.
Oh, it's okay. Michelle is driving. Evidently, her friend's brother passed away, so she's delivering food. So she will maybe come on once she's done at the end, she said.
Okay. So I was like intermittent throughout the day. I was like here and it was on, but I had lots of interruptions and stuff. But one of the things that really stood out, like one statement, and my notes aren't very good. I kept saving the transcript, updating it so that I would have it to go back and go through. I wish I would have known that like the last couple of days. So I was glad that that got shared in the Telegram group. But when they were talking about, I think it was when Eric was, I don't even remember, or no, I think it was when Barry Baumgartner was talking. Regardless, whatever. Asking for permission will kill your spirit. I thought that was a very strong, powerful statement, because it was like when I heard it, I felt it, right? Like I could feel that every time I've had to ask for something. It's just like a little piece of your heart just kind of goes, right? And so I just really felt that. And I was like, I need to be strong in my convictions and like prove, so that I don't feel like I have to ask for permission anymore. So yeah, that was kind of like a big thing. My notes were crappy and I was like all over the place. So that's what I have to share tonight.
Sounds good. Mia, you want to go?
Sure. First off, Jeremy, congratulations. Oh my gosh. You little iPad winner, you. That's so awesome.
Oh my
So
gosh,
congratulations on that. That was so exciting to know somebody who won.
I about died. I literally about died. I texted someone else and I was like, I don't know what just happened, but I completely like blacked out and I don't even know what else they gave away. I don't know who else they said.
You got the best gift, babe. You totally
that's
got
what-
the
That's what I mean. That's what the other person was messaging me too. And it's actually someone I met in one of the breakout rooms.
Yeah.
Who happens to be a Zumba instructor as well. So we've been talking about Zumba for 2 days now as well. And then she messaged me. She's like, "Oh my gosh, you got the best one." And I was like, I didn't even know they were drawing for the iPad. And then
Yeah.
there was just my name on the screen, and then I was
That
on the
was awesome.
screen, and I was like, "What is happening?" I literally like blacked out.
That was so awesome. We were all very happy for you. So congratulations. It's so emotional at the end of these 3 days. I know we're all just so tired and we're all pumped. And, I love what Dean Graziosi was saying. Just love what you're selling. Don't shy away from it. Don't be apologetic about it. Don't hide when you know that you've got something of value to share with people, and I think that because we have this thing in our mind where we don't want to come across as salesy, that we shy away from the gift that we have to share. And I really want to be very attentive to how I can be much better at attraction marketing, but just really knowing that, it's about the other person. It's about helping that person in front of us. It's not about us. And so, how we can really be in touch with how to have those conversations and really listen for what people want, and to have that hook that makes them sit up and listen. I'm so excited to do this 90-day push. I've never done that before. So I'm really excited to do that and to step into the leadership part of me that will just be a co-partner with Michelle and whoever else decides. I think Jolene mentioned that she'd be willing to be a part of that too. So whoever else decides, but we're just going to lock arms and help each other, help our teams really do the focus on those core rank advancements, because that's what's going to keep growing our business. So there's just so much that we could talk about, and I'm just so excited about it. I just think that, we have the environment. We all have the environment because of those people that we're surrounded with in this company, in this culture. And, we're so blessed. We're absolutely just, I don't know. I'm full. My cup is full. I'm also probably at the end of the night of 3 days going, and tomorrow's an early morning. But can I just ask one question for somebody who's techie? Because I did just get my ticket and they have this thing for the MetaMask extension, and you're supposed to select a browser. Has everybody done that?
I have
I'm
not. I'm
going
going to
through
do
it
it when I get back home.
I'm going through it right now.
Okay, I haven't selected the browser yet for that because Safari is what I usually use, but that's not an option. So I guess I'll just have to use a different option. But if anybody has any suggestions, just put that in the Telegram thread and what they think the best one is to do.
So Mia, I would just go up to the top of that window and copy the URL, the website address, and then open it in one of those browsers that they
Okay.
mentioned.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Did that come through on the email?
It was at the end
after
of
you-
registration.
Yeah, after you purchase the ticket, the NFT and wallet setup comes up.
Oh, it didn't come up? That's really weird.
Well, I'll paste that into a message that you guys can
Okay.
see it, but it says not all browsers support the extension. So, and then it gives you the options of Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, and mobile app, Android, and iOS. But if you want to do it from your computer, you probably need to choose something other than the mobile app. So
So, Mia, what kind of computer do you have?
I have a Mac.
You have a Mac. So the Safari browser just doesn't support this extension.
Right.
I would recommend Chrome.
Okay.
And then you'll have to get Chrome on your computer. I run Safari and Chrome because I have
I have Chrome on my computer. I just don't ever use it, but
Gotcha. So pick Chrome.
Okay.
Because I have stuff that I have to do training videos for the gym I work at, and I can't do it in Safari. It has to be in Chrome.
okay.
Like it's common, so that's what I would pick.
I run Chrome and Safari on my Mac.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'd recommend too.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll put
And then
that.
just a reminder, we're gonna do our 90-day run meeting next Saturday. And if we need to, I guess we can decide that as a group. We can, do it every second Saturday, and unless we want to do it more often. So I guess we just need to decide that as a group. What's that look like? But I think we'll do that in the 90-day group run, and we'll decide. But the Poes know we're doing that, and they're super excited. And Jolene and Mia, I'll reach out to both of you. I have some ideas of what I could use help with. This week is crazy for me, being that I took, again, 3 days off right after a 4-day week. So Jolene, I might have you help me with all the pictures that Brooke made. And then if you can, and then Mia, and get that going so that we're ready for next week.
Okay, perfect. And
I'll be rolling in from volunteering that morning. So I'll be slinging breakfast burritos, and then at 10 o'clock, I'm going to jump on my phone and we'll do Zoom.
so what time are we doing it on that Saturday? That's this coming Saturday.
It's noon Eastern.
Okay. Good.
Okay. Awesome. Well, guys, I am so proud of you for finishing the event. There were so many people there were 55 people in our group, and literally at the end of it, 10% of that is still here and showing up and sharing. I'm so proud of you guys for just doing the do. So thank you so much.
You're welcome. Jen, are you there? Did you want to say something? I'm not sure.
It doesn't look like she's unmuting or unvideoing.
Okay.
And I will upload this to Facebook when I get back home. I just had to be like, I have to do this. So as soon as I get back home, I'll download it, and then we'll upload it. And that way you guys have this recording as well.
Sounds good.
All right. Have a great
Have a
night.
great evening.
Thank you.
Yep.